Ang ganda! So ayan, hagdan-hagdan pa din ang Moana natin, nangunguna. Wow! Ayan na yung falls. Diba? Then again, another view deck. This is nice walk. Grabe. Pamaol is real. Wow. Whew.
See if you go to the Barry Resort.
Yeah.
Is that way?
Yeah. We're not going there. We're going here.
Or if you go to the Doberman trek, you come across all this kind of thing. That's beautiful.
Yeah. That is Moana's weakness. Step down. She hardly sometimes when going down na. Whew. So, parang tayong umikot, may loop kasi ito.
Yeah, this way. Michael, there's moss on the tree.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's mystery. Yeah.
Yes. It's next to the water. It's good to have a bath here, no? Some people like going there. Oh.
Yeah. Sit there. Go down.
Nice. Stainless. The spoon. Oh, diba? Yeah. Sipon pa tayo. Ay, nako. Oh, diba? Tinuro ko kayo kung hindi na rin alam. Hindi ko sinabi sa inyo ang pangalan ng course na ito. Look out, load limit. Wow, really? Maximum of 30 people lang daw. So, ayan. Wow. Woo! I still remember the Kari when we go to north, the wide platform too, from the window nature. Ano tayo galing kanina? Yan, hanging bridge yan. Look at that.
Come on, stand here. For our
Picture.
Yan eh. Come on, stand.
No fish, no phone, no nothing.
Okay, pabalik na tayo. Moana is busy. Tapos na ang ating walking. Tapos na. Di ba? Ang ganda ng lugar.
Daddy, right, Mommy.
Mamaya, babasahin natin paano falls ito. Doon. Kalimutan ko din. So, it's a good day for today's video. For today's vlog. Yung isa, nagma-mushroom hunting. Mushroom hunting. So, yung ilong natin pagaling na. Sabahan sa punas yan. Sinisipon kasi ako. Isang linggo na. Pa-blessed. Hanggang ngayon, meron pa. But, gala pa din. Madami na ang tao. Kanina, 2 kotse lang yung nandoon. Pagdating namin, umalis yung isa. Ngayon, may mga bagong dating. Let's sit here and wait, Daddy, okay? Ay, it's dirty pala. May mga areas na sinarado nila ka-blessed. So, pabalik na tayo sa car park, ka-blessed. Anything?
Mommy, my legs is can't move.
Oh, your leg can't move. Napagod. Moana is tired. When you get there, the car is done. Reklamo. Somebody's complaining, Daddy. Leg is tired. Biglang dumami ang tao, ka-blessed. Diba? Isa lang ang isip. After lunch, gumagagala. Kasi hindi na maulan. Kaya ganun. We are here na. Yeah, Daddy is to bump. Ayan, nasa car na tayo, ka-blessed. Ano pala yun? Bidalap Falls. So, ayan.
That's neat. Let's drive that forest trail. Let's see what this.
Yeah. Driving lang tayo. Let's see what's in there. So, let's go Kari Forest. Explorer, mga ka-blessed. Tatingin tayo ng campsite. Ang ganda sana ng Gusto ko tubatan ka blessed. Let's find dinosaur.
Let's find dinosaurs.
Then what are we looking at?
Loki, Mr. Gray.
Looking Mr. Gray.
Yeah.
But Mr. Gray is not here anymore.
Remember?
Adventure na naman tayo ka blessed.
Mommy, we need to find Mr. Gray.
Yeah, Mr. Gray is not ours anymore. Sa makipot na daan, Mr. Gray, we already sold it. I mean, sell it.
Mommy, where's Mr. Gray go?
Somebody else is driving.
Mr. Gray's on the house?
Ano? Mr. Gray is belongs to other. It's not ours anymore. Gusto mo ng adventure? Hala, dali. Buting na one way lang dito, no?
So we get service again by now. 15,000 exactly.
Mm.
We drive too much.
Yeah. So, ayan na ang camping site. Wanna go, Maiden Bus?
This is not a campsite. This is just parking and come home.
Ah,
Yeah.
oh yeah. Yeah. One minute. Yeah. Okay.
Picnic.
So the campsite is over there. So, dito na tayo sa campsite. Ayan. Graffiti. Hey, I remember this place. 2019. Oh my.
Our little green tent.
Yes.
That would have been easy if you have this car for the green tent. You don't have to roll it perfect to get it behind your seat. You can just throw it in the back and close the lid.
Mhm.
Dad? Dad?
Nice spot.
So, pauwi na tayo ka blessed. Tapos na ang ating camping hunting. Yes.
My shirt was dirty.
Oh. It's alright. We're going home naman na. So, good.
No one at home.
Yeah, over there. In Pemberton.
I don't want to go home.
Oh, you didn't want to go home?
No.
Where do you want to go? Harrison's house? No, you're not going. Let's wait Monday for Harrison's birthday. Then we go to the big playground. Is that right?
No.
No?
Then we don't go to the party.
So no party. Don't wanna go pala. Anyway, bahay na pala kami ka-blessed. Kanina pa. Diyos ko, nagmerienda na nga kami. So, coconut rolls. Luto tayo ng, gagawa tayo ng salad ka-blessed. Yan ang ating dinner for tonight. Salad and then french fries at saka spring rolls na meat.
Mommy, Mommy, we want your hair.
No, I have already on my hair.
Mommy, Mommy, your hair is so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy, remember? You got you shiny. Mommy, Mommy,
So, meron tayong lettuce.
hi. Mommy, not moving.
No, it's not moving.
I can't see a move.
And then, sari-saring dahon.
Our block. Daddy. Rice.
And then, cucumber. Meron tayong cucumber. Hindi natin ubusin yan. Kalahati lang. Kasi natira tayong dahon. Kalahati lang ilagay natin yan doon. May nakasalang doon. May nakasalang dito.
Is it hot or not hot?
It's too cold. That is cold. Daddy, that's right. Daddy.
Ay, nako naman. Ay.
Now you know.
Now I know. May ganun pa pala yun. But, you are not moving with me. Where's my motion?
Put your face in the camera. Not too close, then you can detect your face. And then tap your finger on your face. No, on the screen.
Daddy. Mine.
Yun! Got it! Yay! Ang dami.
Me, me, me.
It's too many. Uh-oh.
Mommy,
Uh-oh.
it's looking at me.
Oh, that's fancy.
Really? I thought it's not.